Just cleaned it up. Cleaned it all up. I'll take those off. Hang on. Yeah, clean that dang on dirt off the back of the transmission. Same thing. Clean the whole thing up. These are my heads. Recondition. Run the O-rings. All.